Hi friends, I am Uday Bhanu. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Today we'll continue the topic anatomy of uveal tract, that is ciliary body. If anyone didn't watch the previous video of anatomy of iris, please do watch it. I'll provide you the link of that video in the description box. Ciliary body is the forward continuation of choroid. It is triangular in shape, so it has three sides: anterior side, outer side and inner side. They are represented A, O, I in the diagram. You can see a red color triangle, A anterior side, O outer, I inner side. So we'll go into the details. Anterior side, it represents angle of anterior and posterior chamber. Outer side there is suprachoroidal space, and inner side there are two parts, anterior and posterior parts. Anterior part, it has finger like projections called ciliary processes, and the part is known as pars plicatum, and the posterior part is smooth part, it is called as pars plana. If you can see in the diagram, anterior side it is the angle of anterior and posterior chamber, and inner side there are anteriorly pars plicata containing ciliary process and posteriorly smooth part pars plana, and outer side there is suprachoroidal space. Now I had prepared myself a small chart regarding these layers to avoid confusion. Hope you like this. Stroma we'll see at last. Let's see the four layers. First layer is supraciliary lamina. It is anterior continuation of suprachoroidal lamina, and this supraciliary lamina continues anteriorly as anterior limiting membrane of iris. You can see in the flow chart, this supraciliary lamina is nothing but the upper condensed part of the stroma. The third layer of ciliary body is pigment epithelium of ciliary body. It is the anterior continuation of retinal pigmental epithelium. This pigment epithelium of ciliary body continues as anterior pigment epithelium of iris. And the fourth layer of ciliary body, that is layer of non-pigment epithelium. It is anterior continuation of sensory retina, and this layer continues anteriorly as posterior pigmented epithelium of iris. All these you can see in the flow chart in a simple manner. Last layer, internal limiting membrane of ciliary body, is anterior continuation of internal limiting membrane of retina. Now let's see the stroma. Stroma contains of collagen, fibroblasts and also ciliary muscle. This ciliary muscle has three types of fibers: longitudinal or meridional fibers, radial or oblique fibers. These two fibers help in aqueous outflow, and circular fibers, they help in accommodation. These are the beautiful pictures from Google. In this diagram we can see only two fibers, meridional and circular fibers of ciliary muscle. Now in this diagram we can see the three fibers: longitudinal labeled in LCM, radial in RCM and circular in CCM of ciliary muscle. Hope you can see this. Ciliary processes are finger-like projections of pars plicata. You can see in the diagram the structure of ciliary process. It has two epithelial layers. In between them there is also stroma, loose connective tissue with some amount of blood vessels, arterioles and venules. Now let's see the functions of ciliary body. It has two functions. As we already discussed above, aqueous production is maintained by ciliary processes and aqueous outflow is maintained by longitudinal and radial fibers of ciliary muscle. And also accommodation, it is by the circular fibers of ciliary muscle. A small note guys, this is completely from textbook AK Khurana. Then studying hours, isn't it easy to watch a few minutes video? If this video is useful to you, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel Golden Dreams. Let me know your suggestion in the comment box.